Wow. That's from Grandpa. He must have put it together for you. Look at over there.
What?
Look at.
Oh, what's Batman?
Yeah. Wow. Look at right there. There's a copter and a bat car.
Look at this. I got all snakes.
And look at all these. There's some presents for everybody here too. Yeah. That you know what? That's from Grandpa. Santa must have put that together for us. Maybe his elves did. Crash into those barrels. Yeah.
See presents.
Yeah, he dropped a bunch of them off. Holy smokes. And look at this. It looks like he brought you a, looks like he brought you this, too.
Oh,
That's all your stuff. You wanna look? You wanna look in it?
What?
You wanna look in there? It looks like it's all your stuff, too.
No.
Wow, look at that, buddy.
Don't want my Batman car.
Yeah, look at all of them. Look at all of them. Holy smokes.